I have you on video on your first day of kindergarten, right? You see all the kids playing? Yeah? You want to go to the X and O's? You can go over there and spin that. Go ahead. It's spinning? Cool. Was that neat? You want to go back again and spin it? Go ahead. Okay. Hi, baby girl. Aw. Was that cool?